So far, what we have seen in Cucumber, like whenever we are generating HTML reports, so these sort of HTML reports that we got. So where we got a feature, scenario, outlines, and then all the result like data tables and the Jerkin when, then, and, but, given, right. So all these things we have generated in a form of a HTML report. Now we can give a very good look and feel to this report if we integrate it through Jenkins. Now what I'm talking about, if I go to the Jenkins and if I show you one of my job over here, this is a job where I've created Cucumber project, right? And you can see a Cucumber report plugin over here. If I click on this, you can see the same result. You're gonna see it in a very like attractive format. You can see over here, these are the steps, 100% steps and scenarios got passed. And this is about testers, right? So same about tester feature, you can see the feature over here and the detailed result over here. If I click on this, so this is how beautifully it's been organized with the help of this plugin, right? So same result that you see over here, about tester, I'm a manual tester, and these are the data tables. And this is very easy to generate, and it gets integrated to your Jenkins itself. If I click on back to Jenkins, so see I am back to Jenkins. Now how we have actually generated it, what I'm gonna do, in this video I'll just gonna talk about my project, the Cucumber project, and how we can generate it. In the next video I'll be talking about the detailed configuration of this plugin, right? So what I'm gonna do, this is the project we have already seen in our previous lectures, in our Cucumber lectures, right, where we have the test like a step file where we have created use the Jerkin language for given, when, then, where we have scenarios as a manual tester. So if I show you the feature file, this is a feature about testers, and this is how we have created like scenario outline for manual testers, and then we have actually added a data type for like tester type, and then job type, satisfaction, and all these things, right? We have already seen all these things, right? Now what we need to do, we need to run it as a Maven project, right? So if you're not familiar with Cucumber, then just go ahead and watch my previous Cucumber modules, right? Rest I'll show you how we can configure it with Jenkins. So, like if I was talking about the Cucumber module, so you can go to the website way2automation.com, and this is the URL, right? This is basically inside Selenium WebDriver and Selenium video tutorial section, right? So if you go downwards, you'll find a section for Cucumber over here. If I go downwards after these frameworks, I have created one for VTD, right? So you can go through these modules. I'll be adding more detailed modules with this. What I'm actually working on right now, the Cucumber reporting plugin for Jenkins. So I'll be adding that as well, right? So if you are already familiar with Cucumber, then just go to Jenkins and create a new item, a Maven project, and I can name it as Cucumber Maven reporting, right? And name it again, give it as plugin, Cucumber Maven reporting plugin. It's very easy to configure it, trust me, right? So the only thing that you need to do is for the Maven job, the very first I need to give a pom.xml file. So pom.xml, I'm gonna get it from my project. So this is the pom.xml file that I'll give over here, and I'll be running the target as clean and install, right? After this, I'll go to post build action and select the publish Cucumber result as a report, right? So this plugin I'll be talking about in our next video, right? So here I'll go to advanced, and just I need to give the JSON report path as target. That's it, right? Now this is the target directory of your Jenkins project. The JSON file will be stored at this location. in order to generate reports, and that's all that you need to do. Now once you save it and once you build your project, and if I go to console output, so it's being built now, the test is running, so you can see these are the tests, and let's see if the report is being generated or not. Okay, it is saying that at this location the target folder does not exist. So what I need to do, maybe I need to go over here and manually add a target folder. Initially you may face these sort of issues with the target folder. So let us try building it once more. So once this project is being set up, next time you need not to worry about all these things. Let's see. Okay, it is saying that there were no JSON files found over here at this location, at the target folder. Okay, so just I need to do is where this JSON files are being generated, I just need to change the path of this Jenkins project. That's it, right? So this is a project that we have created. Now let's run it for one more time, and let's see if it builds now or not, if it generates the report now or not. And if you go over here, if we go to console output, let us wait for some time and let's see, the test is being executed, and I think it got the JSON file this time, and generating HTML report got successful. Now let's go back to our project again and click on Cucumber reports. You can see for the build 3 the reports are being generated. Let me check if it is a current build or not. Yes, this is the build 3 that got executed just now. And if you see over here the same scenarios, everything got generated. If you want to go to tag, we haven't used any tags over here, else it will gonna show you the current tags as well, right? And let us see other things, what else it shows. So it says tags and builds, yeah. And okay, this is the feature overview. That is basically, we can go to feature overview and we can go to our features, right? Feature results basically. So this is how it is actually very simple to configure this Cucumber report plugin. So in the next lecture, we're gonna see in detail how we're gonna add this Cucumber report plugin to Jenkins, and we're gonna create a new job from scratch. All right.